Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Karina, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys my foundation routine. So now as far as my foundation, concealer, and powder go, which I guess are like the main things, right? They're all drugstore, so super cheap, super affordable, because you know I'm on a budget. The only thing that's like name brand is my contour and highlight. I actually received an Ulta package in the middle of filming, so I'm gonna try out for the first time the Anastasia bronzing powder. Now I had never used it before, and oh, obsessed. So if you're wondering about the look that I have on my eyes right now, go ahead and check out my previous video. It should be linked down below. Before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please, 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 please. And let's go ahead and get started with today's tutorial. I already moisturized and did my brows off camera. And then I went in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I didn't press record when I was putting it on. So next, with a damp Real Techniques sponge and the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, I am shade 208 Sun Beige. I'm just gonna, you know, put this on here and then dab, dab, dab. I go in with the Maybelline FitMe concealer. Where is it? The Maybelline FitMe concealer.
And we just dab, dab, dab again. Now I'm using the same side, as you can see, that I applied my foundation with. I feel like this just kind of helps me like blend it all together, because like there is still some product left on the sponge. So this just makes it a little bit more blended. Or so I believe.
Next, I go on with the Airspun loose face powder. Now, I don't know if there's different shades to this, but just in case there is. This one is the translucent extra coverage. I'm gonna take the flat side. See how it's flat here? I'm gonna take this part and do that so that it can go like, you know, up against the lash line. Okay, now I'm just taking the excess off or blending it with a fluffy brush. Now there's some product here on the cap, right? So I'll like dip my brush in, tap off the excess, and apply it to the rest of the face and the ears and the neck. Just so it doesn't like feel tacky anymore. That's pretty much it as far as my foundation goes. Now I'm going to apply bronzer, blush, and highlight. This is actually the first time I'm gonna use this bronzer, so stick around, I guess, so you can see how that goes. Today I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder, bronzer, and Rosewood, which comes like this.
So cute.
Next, I'm gonna go in with the Milani baked blush in Berry Amore. Go in right here with our powder brush and blend it out a little bit. Then going in with the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Conceited. I'm literally just grabbing like what is on the cap of the little bottle thing, jar. So yeah, a little bit goes a long way. Some on my nails, just the tip, because you don't want to make them look bigger. Right here. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes, and I will be back to show you guys, well, this technically is the finished product, but you know, so it doesn't look cray. I'll be back. So this is the finished look, you guys. As you can see, acne wear, scars wear, just kidding. You can still see a little bit of texture. You know, I did use a primer, but still I do have a lot of texture going on my skin. It's not the best. But anyways, we're working on that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You all know I would really, 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 really appreciate it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace and love.